this is how you can make $100 to $700 just by you can basically earn money from home, and you can make up to $100 to $700 as a beginner with simple step-by-step process. Now, what is the thing you need to do is very simple. You need to go on to a page called Fiverr. Okay, so on Fiverr you can see that there are cooking lessons, that if you are really interested in making some really amazing cooking dishes, that is, you love actually make cooking, so what you can do is that you can create some tasty cooking video recipes like this one. Okay, so you can see that it's like I will create a cooking video recipe like tasty TikTok food. Okay, so this is like Fiverr's choice. So this is a top rated one, and you can see they have done like 201 videos up till now. You can take like $85 and it's gonna be up to 60 seconds. For 60 seconds you can charge $85, and this person has 3 orders in queue, which is pretty much amazing, right? So you can think about it like this: you are sitting at your home and you can actually earn money from home just by shooting that video. So the thing that you're making for breakfast, the thing that you're making for dinner, the thing you're making for lunch, so you can actually shoot all of those videos, not just for yourself, but you can sell those videos. So basically you can actually sell those videos without showing your face, and you can actually make good amount of money with the help of that. So what the video quality will be like, so you will be able to see that this is the video quality that this guy is actually preparing, which is pretty much amazing to be true. So you do not need to do anything extra. This is very simple. So you need to put a simple smartphone which you're watching video right now, I hope so. So you need to, if you have a smartphone of yours, then it's okay. Not just that, if you are actually using something, a smartphone of yours, and after that you can actually use those things, and after that you can simply record, which is pretty much amazing. Now think about it like this person is making videos, and you do not have to be super fancy like this. Trust me, you can actually use real simple things, and after that you can actually have amazing results just like this. This looks pretty much good, like, I mean, it just looks so perfect, just so amazing. So you can actually do something just like this. Now the second thing is this one. Okay, so you can see that for square format it's $20 more, 3 photos which is going to be $20 more. So this person is actually includes the recipes as well, the ingredient list, and you can see your logo and all that. So this person is actually taking 14 days, which is amazing, right? So 14 days for this, and this person is making this kind of videos, and it's gonna be taking like, for square orientation, $20 in 1 day, $20, duration up to 90 seconds, you can see $15, duration up to 180, you can see $35. So if we click all of this, for example, we need a square photo, we need a final result photo, we need a duration photo for like 90 seconds, we need up to 180 seconds, so it comes around $195. So basically this person is upselling, because you can actually repurpose every single thing onto different places also. So you can actually charge all of this. People are taking all of these options, and that is why this person is getting some real amazing result. And not just that, you can see this, that 2 months ago, you can see great quality and on time as always. So 4 days ago, delivered on time as usual, and nice editing. Okay, so this is the thing. We're love working with this seller. High quality work and timely delivery. This is amazing. So you can actually do the exact same thing, and I'm super happy that if you are going to be starting, if you are really passionate about food, I mean, just think about it. And food is not just something that you all eat, it is also an art form. If you understand that, if you have that clarity, if you have that depth and knowledge about food, you are the perfect person. And if you don't know, if you're a beginner, then also you have a great potential in doing the same thing. You do not have to show your face. The thing that you're cooking today, you can actually shoot it, and after that you can put a gig on Fiverr. You can have sales like this one, and I'm not showing you some abstract things or some scams. You can see this is not mine. This is of some person who is in, you can say, from Ukraine, and this person has delivered it 4 days ago to a person from United States. So Fiverr, from Fiverr, the person from United States has actually ordered to the person from Ukraine. And that means what? I am not in control of these listings. This is the person, the platform is owned by Fiverr, so I can never actually, you can say, disguise results. And I can even not disguise the thing, like this person is having 3 orders in queue, right? So for $195 you can actually think about it like 3. So let's understand, let's take it as $200. So this person is going to be making $600. $600. Can you imagine that? $600. Oh my god, which is pretty much amazing. Up till right now, this person has made some great profits and is delivering. Think about it, you can make $100 to $700 real easy with the help of that. And not just that, whenever you become a pro, you can also do it for yourself. You can put in content on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and if TikTok is available, just go for it. And you can actually sell things like affiliate products. For example, if you go on here, and after that you can go on to hobby, you can go on to like food and drinks. So you can actually go on to food and drinks, and after that on food and drinks you can see that it's you can sell vegan or plant-based recipe books, which is like you're going to be getting $10 commission. That is pretty amazing. You can sell this 5-minute vegan cookbook, you can sell this 16 recipe book. You can see it's 100% commission. You can sell milk or vegan for children, and you can sell this smooth juice recipes for $6.69. Basically all these things are really much amazing. And not just that, I mean, this is really amazing. So you can go up there and you can make some great profits with the help of that. So the first thing is you need to know is that you can actually make money online easily with the help from home itself, by actually shooting the recipe that you are cooking today, or your mom, dad, wife, sister, whoever it might be is cooking for you. Even it can be your chef if you can afford one. Okay, so this is the thing. If you are broke ASF, okay, so you can never actually have a better opportunity like this one. I mean, it's just the thing that you're doing right now. You simply need to record, and for that you're going to be getting paid, right? It sounds simple, it is actually simple, but it is not that easy for some people, and I can easily understand. For if you want something really easy, I've given the link in the description. You can go up there, you can actually enjoy all of the things that I have given, and you are going to be pretty much loving those things. So that was all for today. See you in another video. Don't forget to click subscribe, and before going on there, just comment down below that what is the type of cuisine you love the most, and we're going to be catching up on another videos. And so go on to my channel and see other videos too, because it's going to be really worth it for you. And see you again on another